Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello, lovely people. So, before y'all say anything, girl, what's going on with your hair? And what's going on with that pimple? I want to know the same thing too. Y'all want to know the truth? Truth is, I've had my hair straightened for a month now, and this is the result of having your hair straightened for a month. My hair got super dry, and it just looks really bad. I ran in the rain one day. I was running to get something outside, and I was just like, F it. Then it just got super dry and trashy. But that's not the point of this, okay? I'm gonna show you how I go from having crusty, dusty, dry, straight hair like this to looking fabulous and amazing with juicy popping curls like this. So I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment today so I can put some moisture back into my hair. And if you don't know what a hot oil treatment is, you're basically putting hot oil into your hair, putting it on your scalp and the ends of your hair, and leaving that hot oil to penetrate your roots and your hair, so it can provide moisture, nutrients, and benefits. By the way, I have a pimple, some girly stuff going on right now. Let's not even talk about that. But can you guys guess? Can you guys take a guess? Comment down below if you want to. Comment down below and take a guess. What oil do you think I'm gonna use? What oil do you think I'm gonna use for this hot oil treatment? What oil do y'all think I'm gonna use? And no wrong answers, because if you guess wrong, then you're not a true subscriber on this channel, okay? If you guess wrong, you are not a true subscriber on this channel. So what oil do y'all think I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use the Guava Leaf Hair Oil by ReggaeRoots, made by yours truly. And if you guys want to know the story and the benefits and all the good stuff about this oil right here, go and watch one of my last videos. I'll also link it below. But yeah, the story of me launching this oil, go watch it. But today I'm gonna use it for y'all in my hair, and I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment and show y'all the results. And yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, first thing you want to do is boil some hot water, and then after the hot water is done boiling, you turn that stove off, you let it cool a little bit, and then you put the bottle of oil inside of it. Of course, take the label off and then slowly put the bottle in there, because you don't want to like cause a shock to the glass. So you slowly put it in there and then you swirl it around. I'm talking with my Invisalign right now, okay? So it's kind of hard to talk with my Invisaligns. I don't know if I have a lisp right now, but yeah. You just swirl the bottle of oil in there so it gets hot, and then I left it. I laid it down on the side of the pot and I left it there for a while, for like 5 to 10 minutes, so the oil can get hot from the hot water penetrating onto the oil, if that makes sense. I covered it, by the way, and then after that I took it out and it was ready to be used. Okay y'all, so it's hot, I can feel it, and now we can go ahead and start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair. Y'all can see it's dirty, it's flaky. So what I'm basically doing, y'all, is putting my hair, okay. I'm basically putting my hair into sections so I can work at one section at a time. Like, I'm not about to pour the oil all over my hair, because that won't allow me to target all the parts of my hair that I want to target. So yeah, we're gonna do 4 sections. It's probably better to do more than 4, but I'm gonna do 4 sections. Voila. And then I'm gonna get this spray bottle. There's nothing inside of it. The warm water that I warmed earlier, I'm gonna pour that into this bottle. So everything in this treatment is basically hot. because hot water, hot oil, hot anything opens your cuticles. So I'm basically allowing my hair follicles to open up in order to let those nutrients in. So I'm gonna go in and wet my hair with the hot water before I put the oil in my hair. And if I keep looking over here, I'm looking at myself, and I'm also making a video on my phone because I'm making a YouTube video and I'm making a TikTok video. So if y'all want to follow me on TikTok for like a shorter clip of like this whole thing, y'all can follow me on TikTok too. All right, enough of me talking. I'm gonna just do my hair and y'all can watch me, okay? I'm putting it in my roots. Then I'm going to put some in my hand. And I'm going to put it in my hair. And then what I'm going to do is twist that section away. And after I twist that section away, I'm going to put some more on my hair. So my hair is already like going back to being natural, y'all. Like, hello? We love to see it. Like, we love to see it. And it doesn't seem like I have any damage. Healthy natural hair. And how did I get this healthy natural hair? Of course, having a good hair routine, and of course using great products like this one, like this one, like that one right there. And I'm just lay it all over my hair again, because why be stingy with your products? Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Stingy is a lack mentality. Why would you want to live in a lack mentality? Believe you can have more, and you will get more. I'm just chatting right now. I really am just chatting. This is just me coming back to myself and being the happy Tovae that I used to be. Like, I really just used to be in my own world, just doing my hair, doing my own thing. And I came out of that phase for a while, and I'm just finding that girl again, finding my happiness again. I was trying to find my happiness in other places, but yeah, like, I'm finding myself again because I can only find that happiness within myself. Like, I want people to get to know the real me. Like, not just me for my hair, but I want people to, like, you know, enjoy me in other parts of my life, like me doing other things. So I'm back on YouTube now, and if I'm doing my hair, I'm doing my hair. If I'm vlogging, I'm vlogging. Like, I'm just gonna be doing whatever I want to do. So today we're doing a hot oil treatment. I'm just here in my apartment. My hair is dry and trashy, and I'm trying to fix it, and y'all gonna fix it with me. I want Tovae to be happy. I want Tovae to be happy. So Tovae is gonna be happy from here on out, and nobody or anything can stop that. And this is also me giving you guys advice. Like, do what makes you happy, and don't care if at first you don't get support for it. Just remain positive that when it's time for you to like level up and rise up, like, your time will come. And don't hate on anybody else's journey. Just pay attention to your journey and what you got going on. And that's what will keep you in a positive, happy mindset. Just keep doing what makes you happy and don't care about the outcome, but just know eventually it will have a good outcome. How did this hair video turn into me ranting? Y'all, that's another thing. Like, I really just love talking, and it's like a lot of people didn't realize how much I love talking, and I just feel like I've been gaining a lot of wisdom lately, and a lot of people be shocked when I do start talking, or if I do write something, they're like, oh, this is you? Like, yeah, this is me. I just be hiding because people don't be, you know. I just felt like I was around people who weren't having the same mindset as me, so if I was supposed to speak out, I would just look crazy. But I started meeting some real genuine people who they understand my mindset. You also gotta know where you belong. Like, you also have to know, like, you don't belong in certain places. Certain places, certain phases is only meant to teach you a lesson. Learn the lesson and get out. You're not meant to be there forever. Do not hold on to certain things forever. All right, now this has just turned into a talk session, so I'm gonna speed this up. As you guys can see, I'm like kind of finishing this bottle, and then I'm just massaging my scalp. Get them roots stimulated and open. And just like that, we just finished a bottle of oil. It feels so good though. Y'all see how juicy they're looking? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Y'all see how juicy they're looking? And we just had dry, straight, trashy hair. Now what do we have? We have juicy, popping, curly twist. Okay? Popping. Steaming cap. And put it on right here. Y'all see it? Y'all, one thing about me is I'm not one of those YouTubers who be having the best setup ever, but I still get the job done. I still be getting the job done. I'ma make it work. So guys, I got a blow dryer, and what we're gonna do, this is my little ghetto trick because I don't have a hooded dryer. We're gonna use a blow dryer, and we're just gonna apply some heat all around. Y'all, my scalp is tingling. Like, this is how I know my oil is working, because my scalp is tingling. I can feel it. It's like my pores are like opening and the nutrients are just going in, and it's like, it's just working, okay? My roots, they feel tingly, and that's because of the peppermint oil that's in there. And it's not too much peppermint oil, it's just the right amount to open your scalp and let those nutrients in. So yeah, but we're gonna use a blow dryer because I don't have a hooded dryer, and we're gonna add some heat to my hair and then put another bonnet over it. So let's do that. I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. So I'm just gonna clean up while I wait, and then see y'all soon. All right, y'all. I'm back. So I think it's time. I'm gonna take these out so y'all could see what my hair is looking like before I go ahead and wash my hair. This is what my hair is looking like. Taking how healthy my hair looks. No heat damage. Because what? Because what? Because what did we do? I'll wait. Put it down below. Comment down below. I'll wait. What did we do? Why does my hair look so healthy? How did my hair go from straight, crusty, dry, and dusty to this? I'll wait. Y'all are taking way too long. Like, you're taking way too long to answer. So I'm gonna give y'all a pass this one time. It's because of this. Don't sleep on her, okay? Don't be sleeping on her. Like, it didn't just magically happen, okay? Don't mind my umbrella in the back. Look at my hair. Do y'all see that? Oh, I just be rocking my natural hair just because I got it like that? No, ma'am. I take care of my hair. I take care of my hair. It didn't have to look like this. I put time and effort into my hair. So for the people who be like saying stuff about me, like, oh, it's because you've always had natural hair. Okay? And now I straighten my hair and I got my curly hair back even better because of my oil. Now I want y'all to stop talking crap. And stop sleeping on my oil. But yeah, I'm about to go to the bathroom and wash my hair. See y'all later. Hey y'all, so I put all the products in my hair and this is what my hair with products looks like. And after I put all the products on my hair, I did go ahead and put the oil all over my hair as well. Like I use my hand and I just like put it on there. So y'all, I was rushing because I'm about to go out with my friends and I'm always the one that's late. So I was supposed to be there at 6 and I'm leaving at 6. My hair will dry on the way, but yeah. Goodbye, y'all. Yeah, but this what my hair is looking like, y'all. I love it so much. Obviously it looks like my hair grew too, because like I used to have bangs and my bangs grew out a long time ago, but it's like now my bangs, it feels like my bangs are getting longer than the rest of my hair. I don't know if it's because I be putting like the oil like mostly right here, so it's like these parts of my hair is just like way longer than the rest of my hair. So make sure y'all are putting the oil like in every parts of your hair so your hair isn't growing uneven like me. I just wanted to show y'all my hair, and yesterday I went out with my friends and like every time I like hugged someone, they would be like, oh my gosh, your hair smells so good, your hair smells so good. So just so y'all know, if y'all use my oil, and I asked them like what it smelled like, and they said like, you know, minty herbs, like a good type of minty hair smell. So use my oil if y'all want to get compliments on your hair. Like, girl, your hair smells good. Boy, your hair smells good. What you using? ReggaeRoots? Nah, but yeah, so just so y'all see what my hair looks like. If you made it to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a special discount code, okay? The special discount code is special 20% off. Special 20. Go shop now because you're special for making it to the end of this video, okay? I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.